Welcome to my channel Venus EduTech. Today I will give you the solutions of fourth type of coding and decoding workout questions. So let's start.
This is the first workout question. When you look for the word economic, it is found in the first line and in the third line. So a code which is present in the first line and the third line which is same, and that code is MS. So the code for economic, it is MS. The code TE is present in both the first line and in the second line. That means there is a word which is same and is present in the first line and in the second line, and that word is growth. So the code for growth, it is TE. Now the word down is present in first line and in the fourth line. So the code which is same is present in the first line and in the fourth line, and that is CN. Right? So the code for down, it is CN. So the remaining code in the first line is FA, and that is for which word? For the word slows, because slows is the only word remaining in the first line. The other three we got the corresponding codes. So the code for slows, we can write it as FA, like this. The word developing is present in second line and in the third line. So which is the code? HO, because the code HO is present in both the second line and in the third line. So the corresponding code for developing, it is HO. Now in the second line, the words of and country, these words are not present in any of the remaining lines. That means the codes for of and country are either GI or KU, because we got the word for TE. TE is the code for growth and HO is the code for developing. That means GI and KU are the codes for either of or country. So the code for of is either GI or KU, and the code for country is also either GI or KU. The word conditions is present in the third line as well as in the fourth line. That means the required code is BP, because the code BP is present in both the third line and in the fourth line. So the code for conditions, it is BP. Now the only word remaining in the third line, it is agenda. So the only remaining code remaining in the third line, it is JE. So the code for agenda, we can write it as JE. Now in the fourth line, there are only two words remaining, like and trend. So what are the codes? Either KX or DR, because we are not sure what is the exact code for like and what is the exact code for trend. So we can write the code for like is either KX or DR. Similarly, the code for trend is either KX or DR. So the codes for both like and trend are either KX or DR. In the first question, if slows developing risk is coded as HOFAZY, we know the codes for slows and developing, right? For slows it is FA, and for developing it is HO. The code for developing, it is HO, the code for slows is FA. Therefore ZY is the code for risk. Okay, so if slows developing risk is coded as HOFAZY, from there we get the code for risk, it is ZY. Then the question is, how will economic risk down be coded as? What are the codes for economic and down? We got the code for economic, it is MS, and the code for down, it is CN. So economic, instead of economic, its code is MS. Risk, it is, we got the code as ZY, and down we got the code as ZN. So how will economic risk down be coded as? It is called as MS, ZY and CN, like this. Second question, what is the code for conditions of country in the given code language? Conditions of country. We got the code for conditions, it is BP, and the code for of and country is either GI or KU. Code for conditions is BP, and for of and country it is either GI or KU. So the required answer is BP, GI, KU. Third question, which is the code that represents growth improve in the given code language? We know the code for growth, it is TE. But there is no word called improve in the given question. So for growth we can write TE. Improve, we don't know the code. So choose the option having the code which is from outside. Here for example I am writing CS, because it is CS is not the code for any of the given words in our question, right? So growth improve can be written as TECS. TE is the code for growth, and improve, you have to, in the exam you have to choose that option which is having the code from outside, not in the given words or codes in the question. So here the answer is TECS. Next question, what does the code KX stand for in the given code language? KX is the code for either like or trend, right? We got like can be coded as either KX or DR, and trend also can be coded as KX or DR. So the exact code for KX we don't know. It is either like or trend. So either like or trend is the answer. Next question, what is the code for agenda in the given code language? We got the code for agenda and it is JE. So the answer is JE. This is the second workout question. Here the word adapt is present in the first line and in the third line. So the common code present in the first line and the third line is BX. So we can write the code for adapt as BX. Here the words must change. These two words are present in the first line and in the second line as well, right? So the two codes which are same in the first line and in the second line are LA and TU. LA and TU are present in the first line as well as in the second line. So we can write the codes for must and change are either LA or TU, right? The code for must is either LA or TU. Similarly, the code for change is also either LA or TU, right? Now the only word remaining in the first line is and the only code remaining in the first line is KI. So we can write the code for and is KI like this. Now the word here is present in the second line and in the third line. So the required code is DR because that code is present in both the lines, second and in the third line. So we can write the code for here is DR. Now the only word remaining in the second line is A. So its required code is GM. The code for A is GM. The word better is present in the third line and in the fourth line. So the required code is FN because FN is present in both the third line and in the fourth line. So we can write the code for better as FN. And the only word remaining in the third line is 2. So its required code is MS. So 2 can be coded as MS. Now only 3 words left and that are present in the fourth line, and those words are little than nothing. So their codes will be either CX or QA or RM. So the code for little than and nothing is either CX or QA or RM. First question is, what is the code for little in the given code language? We got it already. The code for little, it is either CX or QA or RM. Next question, what does GM stand for? What is the word for GM? It is A. In fact, A is not a word, it is a letter. So GM stands for the letter A. Next, if must bring change is written as OPLATU. We know the codes for must and change. It is either LA or TU. So the required code for bring, it is OP. So we got the code for bring, it is OP. Now our question is, how will bring piece here be possibly coded in the given code language? We got the code for bring, it is OP, and we know the code for here. The code for here, it is DR. So we can write instead of bring and here OPDR. But for the word piece, the word piece is not found in our question, right? So we have to choose that option which is having the code from outside. Here I am writing OV because OV is the code which is not found in any of the words given in our question, right? So OPDR OV is the answer. Next question, code for which of the following cannot be definitely known? Than, and, adapt, here, to. For adapt it is BX. Definitely we know the code. So the definite code for here it is DR. That is also we know. And the exact code for and is KI. The exact code for to is MS. But in case of than, we don't know the exact code. It is either CX or QA or RM. We do not know the actual code. So the code for the word than is not definitely known. Next question, which of the following may represent better and improved in the given code language? Similar to the previous one, for better we know the code FN, and for and it is KI. But the improved word is not found in any of the given words. So choose the option in the exam having a chord from outside. That is, the chords should not be given in our question. So the chord for better is Fn, the chord for and is Ki. Next we have to find the chord for improved. Suppose these were the 5 options given, and those options should contain the codes Fn and Ki, right? Because they are the codes for better and. So which are the options containing Fn and Ki? Third, fourth and fifth. So either the answer is in the third option or in the fourth option or in the fifth option. So which is the code for improved? Is it YZ or GM or DR? Let's have a look. From here we know that the code for A is GM and the code for here is DR. So DR and GM are not the codes for improved. Then which one is correct? Then the code for improved must be YZ. So the option is third one. Understood? So the code for better and improved is YZ KI FN. This is the third workout question. I hope you got the answers of this question. Globes, which is the code? I hope you got the correct codes for these words. And what is the code for globes? It is XA. Got it? Because in the first and the second line XA is common, and globes, the word globes is common, right? So the code for globes is XA. Next, the word R is present in first line and in the fourth line. Therefore, the code which is common in first line and fourth line, it is CU. So the code for R is CU. Next, the word found is present in the first line and in the third line. So the code which is common in first line and third line is VG. So we can write the code for found is VG. Now the only remaining word in the first line is there. Therefore, the remaining code in the first line is ZD. So we can say that the code for there is ZD. Okay. Next, the word to is present in the second line and in the third line. So the common code is SH, right? So we can write the code for to as SH. The code for to is SH. Now the words pairs and off are not present in any of the remaining lines. So their codes are either YE or TI. So we can write the code for pairs is either YE or TI, and the code for off is also either YE or TI. The word new is present in the third line and in the fourth line. So the common code is NU. So we can write the code for new is NU. Then the only word remaining in the third line is friends. So the remaining code in the third line is WD. So we can write the code for words is WD. The only two words remaining in this particular code language are all and packets, right? So the only codes remaining are OM and QK, right? So we can write the code for all is either OM or QK, and the code for packets is also either OM or QK. So these are the words and their corresponding codes. First question, what does the code TA stand for in the given code language? What does the code TA stands for? It stands for either pairs or off. So the answer is either off or pairs. Next question, what will be the code for found in the given code language? What is the code for found? It is VG. So the answer is VG. Next question, what is the code for R in the given code language? The code for R is CO. So the answer is CO. Next question, what will be the possible code for new writer globes in the given code language? We know that the code for globes is XA and the code for new is NU, and there is no word called writer in this particular question. So you have to choose those options which is having one code, that is from outside. Suppose these are the options, which one you will opt? NU, XA are the codes for new and globes, right? XA is the code for globes and NU is the code for new, and you have to choose whether it is SH or CO or DY or none of this. Is the code for writer SH? No, because SH is the code for the word to. Now is the code for writer CO? No, because the code for R is CO, not for the word writer. Now is it DY? Yes, why? DY is the code for writer. Why? Because DY is not the code for any of these words. So we can choose this option, third option, that is NUXADY, which is the possible code for new writer globes in this code language. Next question. In the given code language, if blue is coded as AF, then how will all blue packets be coded as? It is given that the code for blue is AF. So what are the codes for all AND packets? We got the code for all AND packets, and which is that code? Either OM or QK, right? So the required code is OM AF QK, or you can write QK AF OM. You have to choose the option which consists of these three codes, that is OM, AF and QK. I knew you all got these correct answers, but make sure that you are solving these workout questions within a very short period of time. For example, for these three workout questions, you must complete it within 6 minutes.
If you find my channel useful and informative, do support me by subscribing the channel and sharing it with your friends. Also, don't forget to click on the bell icon to get notification of my latest videos. See you in the next video. Till then, have a good day and thank you.